What is up, everybody? It's your boy, your favorite marketer, your favorite alpha. I'm about to give you some more alpha, all right? Today we're gonna be talking about funnels. And one thing that, I learned kind of from the very beginning, but I think I should just point it out to you because I'm telling you, this is fucking alpha right here. And it comes to developing these funnels. I was making this funnel for one of my companies, my software company in particular. We're making this little side offer. And I designed it, I pushed it out, I put some traffic to it, ran some simple ads to it, and I realized it wasn't really working. Whereas people were subbing to it, but it wasn't necessarily the action that I wanted them to do. And as a result, I was actually getting a whole lot of scammers from it. Now keep in mind, it took me around 3 straight days, long nights, up to 3 a.m. in the morning to be able to build this freaking funnel. I put a lot of hard time, a lot of hard effort, a lot of hard work into this funnel. And I put it out there, and immediately it's just a slap in your face. You know, it didn't work. It made me lose money. First time, second ads, third, the amount of spam that I got was crazy from this, and it only just infuriated me. Very next day, I took that L and I made that into a lesson. I made that lesson and I learned from it. I took that L, I made that lesson, I learned from it, and I redevised this funnel. I kind of used some pages that I already had, but I made it better based upon what I learned from that spam. I guess all those bots I was getting, you know? And I learned from that. So I rearranged the funnel in a way that it was a little longer, the cost per result was a little higher, but it didn't matter because I was getting those actions. I was getting people to schedule onboardings and start the trials on my software company. You all know that Funnel Hacker Lab is your way to automate the entire back end of your business. Funnel Hacker Lab 3.0 is your entire CRM business in a freaking box, all right? And because of it, what I truly learned that I want to bring to you is that yes, sometimes you're gonna work so freaking hard. You're gonna be so emotionally invested in these. Maybe it's not even a funnel. It could just be an idea. It could be anything. You may be so emotionally invested into this one idea that maybe for some reason it doesn't work. But you need to be able to have call it alpha in you. You need to be able to have the mindset to understand that, yeah, I did spend a lot of money on this, spend a lot of time, even worse time on this, and it didn't work. But I choose to not let this upset me. I'm choosing to not take this L and let me take it as a loss, which I even hate saying that word. I choose not to make this L a loss. I choose to make this L instead a learning experience. And I choose to become a leader in this industry and take this L, learn from it, and make this ultimate funnel. Yeah, it did take me another 2 sleepless nights to be able to redevelop this funnel. But long story short, if you think about it, I'm designing this funnel, okay? And if you're designing a funnel and you don't have this mindset, it's wrong, okay? I'm designing this funnel to be able to feed myself, to be able to allow me to retire my parents, to be able to give me the freedom to be able to do whatever the F I want to do. Because it's going to generate this amount of cash flow, this amount of energy that's going to allow me to fulfill my dream lifestyle that I know is going to happen. So why would I take that as a loss? Why would I not take that as a learning experience? Why will I give up, catch that L, and not make that funnel better for it to convert? Now guys, I do have a lot of videos regarding on how to optimize your funnel, and for those type of videos, just go on my channel, look up funnel marketing, or look up paid ads, or look up secrets to funnel marketing, videos like that. I have amazing videos, but this is not that video. This is that mindset you need to be able to have, okay, in order to make it successful. Because I'm telling you, regardless of funnels, business, whatever the F it is, there's a reason why 99.99999% of businesses fail within the first freaking year. Because people give up. Well, first of all, a lot of people do have some kind of ridiculous ideas that just straight up just not gonna work. I don't know how people think about those ideas, but those ideas aside, the main reason why businesses and people fail is not because the business fails, it's because the leader that's running the business fails themselves and doesn't think that they are successful enough, or they don't have it within themselves, or they don't feel like they don't deserve to become successful enough. Guys, let me be the person to tell you that you deserve to become successful. You are successful. Let me be the person that tells you that whatever you believe in God, right? I have a great relationship with God, so I always say God is the one that truly has given me this opportunity to be able to make this amazing lifestyle. You know, God wants me to have abundance in my lifestyle. Well, whatever you want to call it, manifestation, the universe, whatever the F you guys want to believe in. I call it my relationship with God, but He wants you to have everything in life. He wants you to have abundance, okay? He wants you to help as many people out in this world as possible, okay? He wants you to have everything. And now for some people, this might be very, very difficult to understand, because maybe something in your past may have traumatized you, that maybe you think you're not good enough. But let me fucking tell you guys, the chances of being in this world, the chances of being, hold up, let me just tell you this freaking statistics. This is fucking crazy. The chances of being alive, the chance of being able to be put into this world are 1 in a fucking trillion. And how can you even give yourself that estimate? How can you even have an estimate? First of all, you don't know. Second thing, I mean, there's infinite amount of possibilities, infinite amount of freaking dimensions, I believe. So it's even higher than a trillion. But let's just say, for example, just for numbers' sake, it's sure 1 out of a trillion. Sure. Like it's not 1 out of infinity, okay? Yeah, there's 1 out of a trillion shot to be put on this world. You were meant to be put in this world. And you were meant to be put on this world for a reason. Doesn't that kind of go without saying that, yeah, you got this amazing luck. Yeah, you got this purpose to be put in this world. Yeah, you're given this opportunity. Doesn't that just give you the happiness and the positive affirmation and believe in yourself and think that, yeah, I'm going to make something out of this fucking life. Yeah, I'm going to become great. Yeah, I'm going to become a legend. Fuck yeah, I'm going to get everything I wanted. All right? And more. You're only limited to your mindset and what you think you can achieve. It's like that freaking Green Lantern flap of a movie quote with Ryan Reynolds. I don't know the exact quote, but he would shine his light oh so bright, all right? And he was only limited to the things that he can create with his ring by his mindset. Guys, take that with real life, okay? Now, it might not come immediately, but if you believe that you're going to become a trillionaire, if you truly believe that you deserve to become a trillionaire, and you are going to become a trillionaire in the world, you're going to be given these opportunities. Now, you're not going to be given $1 trillion lottery ticket right at the back, but you're going to be given opportunities to strengthen you, okay, to give you those qualities of a trillionaire. You're given opportunities to strengthen you and your personality and your mindset to have that trillionaire mindset. Because you gotta know, you gotta become first. Yeah, you gotta make your first 100K. You gotta make your first million. You gotta make first 50 million, first 100 million, and billion, and 50 million. Okay, so there's levels to this freaking shit, and you need to understand that that's not gonna just immediately freaking happen. You need to have patience, and you need to take up opportunity, just like with this funnel. Like the point of this freaking video, this funnel. I don't think this funnel was a loss, definitely not a loss. Rather, it was a learning experience. It taught me to look at this funnel, truly look at this funnel, optimize it. I use heat maps. I do use ad attribution tracking, okay? But it gave me the opportunity to look and understand what was wrong in this funnel. What is truly wrong with this funnel? And I was able to, from that understand what I need to make it better. And guess what? Let me wrap up this freaking video. Very next day, it worked. I got like 3 onboardings the very next day. Let me tell you guys, don't even say the word loss, okay? Those L's are for a reason, okay? Those L's are for a reason for you to learn and become better from. I want to thank you all for watching. Hopefully this helped, guys. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out, Alphas.